Hey, yo, what's good, everybody? VSW, the leader of VSWville here, welcoming you all back to another video. It's Wednesday. You know what that means. It's story time once again. This week's story will feature these three words: bicycle, bird, and pooped. And while I'm telling the story, let's play a game. There will be some blanks in here, and it'll be your job to fill them in. Let's begin. When I was a little boy, I went for a ride on a blank. What did I go for a ride on? A, tricycle, B, bicycle, or C, motorcycle. If you guessed B, bicycle, you're correct, because I can't ride on a unicycle or a motorcycle. I went for a ride on my bicycle. And then for some reason, I decided to blank in the blank of the road. What did I decide to do? A, sit, B, stand, or C, lie down? If you guessed A, sit, you're correct. And what did I sit in? A, the side of the road, or B, the middle of the road? If you guessed B, the middle of the road, you're correct. For some reason, I decided to sit in the middle of the road. And I was lucky blank wasn't any oncoming traffic. Now the word there does fill in the blank, but the question is, which there? This one, or this one? If you guessed this one, T-H-E-R-E, you're correct. I was lucky there wasn't any oncoming traffic, but there was a bird. And do you know what it did? It pooped on me. No joke. Now I know better than to just sit in the middle of the road. I'm never doing that again. True story, y'all. That really did happen. I sat in the middle of the road, and then a bird pooped on me. That hasn't happened in a long time, and I really hope it never happens again, because it is disgusting and embarrassing. Has a bird ever pooped on you before? And if so, what were you doing? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and playing. If you've enjoyed this video and story, please like, comment, share, follow, and subscribe for more. Why? Because English, especially storytelling, is fun. Yes, it is. God bless everybody. And have a beautiful day.